Hello everyone and welcome. In this short, I had a chance to look at a flock of geese landing on the beach as I'm doing a near shoreline research of the heavy marine snow and the condition of the seafloor. But I thought it'd be fun for you bird lovers. I got the big camera out with the high-powered lens. These guys have no idea that they're becoming YouTube bird stars. Oh, I'm on a nature kick again. Let's see, we had the bird bath, we had the mouse, we had the squirrel. Now we have a flock of geese. If you've just joined us for the first time, I'd like to welcome you. And if you've been a long-time viewer, thank you. And until next time, be safe out on the water and enjoy our wildlife. Bye-bye, everyone.